This guide outlines the process for overseas law graduates seeking admission to practice law in Australia. The pathway is regulated and involves several distinct stages. The initial step is a mandatory assessment of your foreign qualifications. You must apply to the relevant admitting authority in the Australian state or territory where you intend to practice. These bodies, such as the Legal Profession Admission Board in New South Wales or the Victorian Legal Admissions Board, will evaluate your academic transcripts and any professional qualifications against the national standard. This standard is known as the Priestley 11. These are the 11 core areas of knowledge required for an Australian law degree. They include subjects such as Australian constitutional law, administrative law, property law, equity and trusts, and company law. Following the assessment, you will receive a formal determination. This document will specify exactly which of the Priestley 11 subjects you are required to complete to achieve an equivalent Australian academic qualification. You must then enrol in and pass these specified subjects, often called conversion courses, at an approved Australian university or provider. Once your academic requirements are fulfilled, you must complete the Practical Legal Training Component, or PLT. This is a postgraduate program designed to equip you with the day-to-day practical skills required for legal practice, such as client interviewing, drafting, advocacy, and legal ethics. A provider for this is the Institute of Legal Training, which offers unique benefits. For instance, the Institute of Legal Training allows you to start your PLT immediately upon enrolment. A significant factor for international graduates is the cost. The Institute of Legal Training offers the same fee for both domestic and international students, with no price markup. All PLT programs also include a mandatory workplace experience component. Upon successful completion of both your academic and practical training requirements, you become eligible to apply for admission. This is a formal process where you apply to the Supreme Court of your state or territory. If your application is approved based on your qualifications and your fitness to practice, you will be formally admitted and your name will be entered onto the roll of lawyers. Finally, admission itself does not automatically grant you the right to work. To practice law, you must apply for a practicing certificate from the local law society or bar association. For the first 18 months to 2 years, you will hold a restricted practicing certificate, which requires you to engage in supervised legal practice under an experienced practitioner. While the process is rigorous, it provides a clear, structured pathway for qualified international graduates to enter the Australian legal profession.